Whether you want to get a van but can't afford to wait vehicle lead times that take up to 9 months, you need extra vans for a specific job contract. You want to keep your cash for your business rather than investing in a van. You have rising delivery demands during specific seasons. You want to add a shuttle service to your location. Or you need the great first impression a van provides. Zeeba is here to support your business. Zeeba is your commercial fleet partner offering flexible rentals of passenger and cargo vans. From one-time events to custom-built leases, we specialize in providing tailored programs that get you the vehicles you need when and where you need them. With Zeeba, you can customize your terms, combine your fleet management services into one simple package, find the right vehicles for your drivers. Zeeba vans are delivered to you with optional fleet insurance, maintenance and roadside assistance, and optional logo branding. Our vans are consistently maintained, tested, and periodically upgraded. We have enhanced cleaning measures before you get your vans and advanced technology features while you drive them. With Zeeba, you can find vehicles near you with our nationwide mobility pool list. Cycle your fleet to get new vehicles, get short-term vehicles now, and convert to long-term later. For more of our services, contact us now or just complete our corporate welcome package and keep your business moving with Zeeba.